If I ask you a question that are you using a smartphone, most of the people will probably say yes, we are using a smartphone, but are you getting paid for that? Then the answer will be no, we are not getting paid for that. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can just work on your smartphone 10 minutes every single day. It does not require any skill and make a very long-term sustainable income just by utilizing your smartphone. This is something which is really easy, really awesome, and most of the people will able to do, and this is something which works all over the world. So definitely, if you are really serious about making money, then do consider this strategy and watch this video till the end. Many people don't watch this videos till the end. That's the reason why they fail to make money online, and I don't want that to happen to you. But before we jump into our awesome content, smash the like button and smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos. And let's jump into our content. Particular channel which is making a killing just by utilizing their smartphone, and the thing is that this channel is in a particular niche which has a really high CPM. Now I'm gonna show you how they are making money just by utilizing their smartphone just on this channel. Now let me show you what they are doing particularly, which is the easiest thing to do, does not require any skills. Okay, so now let's get started into the step one. Step one is that you just need to go to this channel knowledge base, okay, and understand what they are doing. Okay, now you can see this channel is getting almost 1 million views every single month, and probably they are making $5,000 every single month with this particular channel, and that is really insane, and that is really awesome because they are creating really the simplest of all time videos that I'm gonna show you over here on this. Okay, so now let me show you what type of content this channel is actually creating. Okay, so they are creating this very simple videos in which they are just showing this very simple tutorials like how to add a Twitch link on your TikTok bio. Okay, and they are just recording their smartphone screen and then they are just uploading that video to YouTube. That is something which is really awesome and really easy. All you need is a screen recording software which you need to download to your smartphone, and you can just start creating this very simple videos which are really easy. Okay, and very easy and very simple. You can see he is just giving a simple tutorial of how to do a particular thing on this application, like how to upload a TikTok video or how to just give this clickable link on this. Okay, that is very simple and really easy. How to provide a clickable Twitch link on a TikTok. These are very simple things which this channel is providing, as well as you can see this there are very simple ideas which they are presenting. How to put Instagram filters on photos. See, all this very simple smartphone tutorials. Stop email notifications from Twitter. All this is a smartphone screen recording which they are doing, and they are probably giving a very small voiceover in which they are just saying that click on the right direction on this icon and open Twitter. That is the type of voiceover which they are giving, which is really simple and really easy. And the thing is that they are making a ton of money and getting 1 million views just by this simple stuff which they are creating. You can see over here over 1 million views. You can also do this stuff and start making money with this strategy. Okay, you can just check out this channel and you can get a lot of ideas how you can do a particular trick with particular application, like how to you can see how to archive messages on Facebook. These are some of the things which people search a lot on YouTube. Okay, and these are some of the keywords which are very long term keywords because people really search this very long for a very long period of time. Okay, because people don't know how to do a particular thing with the particular application. That's the reason why they search this stuff on YouTube, and where this channel just provides that information to those, and they start and they earn money with this. Okay, this channel is monetized and this channel is getting all this money with this creating very simple easiest of all videos. Now let me show you how you can record videos just like this which he has recorded over here. Don't worry, it is very simple. All you need to do do is download AZ Screen Recorder if you are utilizing an Android smartphone. Okay, so this is the application which is really very simple to use, and you can see you just need to click on this record button and it will start recording your screen, as well as it will also record the voiceover which you are speaking while using a particular application on your smartphone. Okay, so this is for best one for the Android users. Many of the Android users do use it, and if you want to show your face then you can also show that, but I don't think many of you will be interested in creating content showing your face. Then don't worry, you don't need to show your face, and you can just create very simple tips and tricks videos about this applications and just start uploading those to your YouTube channel. So if you are an Android user, you can use this application, but if you are an Apple user, then you can go to this website which is known as support.apple.com, and then you can see that it is showing you how to record your screen on your iPhone. Okay, you can just refer this page, and this page is by officially Apple. So Apple has a built-in screen recording software in the smartphone. You can just utilize it and record your screen, and that is something which is really awesome and really insane, and you can do this stuff and start making a ton of money just like this channel is doing on YouTube. This is simple, easy, and many of you will be able to do it. But if you only take action, then and only then you would be making money with this strategy. If you are not gonna take action, you are never gonna make money. So definitely take action. I have shown you the entire softwares which you require to do this, and it is really very simple, does not require any rocket science to do this, and you can just work 10 minutes, record a simple tutorial, upload it to YouTube, and then start collecting the money as soon as possible. This is something which works all over the world, and definitely you could be making money with this strategy. So I hope you take action on this strategy and make some money. We'll see you in the next video. If you got some value out of this content, smash the like button of this video and also smash the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.